Dual-Spool Drying Magic. Creality Space Pi Filament Dryer Plus Review. Ever felt like your 3D prints fail for no reason, leaving you frustrated and staring at stringy, bubbled messes? Humidity and soggy filament can sabotage even the most patient printer owner. If this sounds all too familiar, drop a comment. Let's swap horror stories and tips for staying on top of your 3D printing game. Imagine watching hours of printing go down the drain because your filament absorbed moisture. Deadlines loom, frustration builds, and your printer silently judges your life choices. What if there was a way to take control without buying a stack of extra storage or tinkering endlessly? That's where a smart, high-capacity filament dryer steps in. Enter the Creality Space Pi Filament Dryer Plus, a compact powerhouse designed to keep 2 full spools of filament perfectly dry. With its upgraded 160-watt heating system and dual-spool capacity, this dryer tackles hygroscopic materials like nylon, PETG, and PLA with ease. Imagine drying your main filament while simultaneously prepping a support spool. No interruptions, no waiting. One hobbyist reported saving an entire weekend by running dual rolls at once, while another noted that their ASA prints had never looked cleaner. The intuitive digital display shows real-time temperature and countdown, while the transparent lid lets you check progress without disturbing the spools. Its quiet operation ensures it won't intrude on your workflow or home office piece. And here's a little bonus tip. Setting slightly different temperatures for each spool ensures optimal drying tailored to the filament type, something even seasoned pros sometimes overlook. The benefits extend beyond dry filament. Faster print times, reduced stringing, and stronger layer adhesion are just the beginning. Thousands of users praise its dual drying chambers, which allow multi-material workflows without extra hassle. One maker said, "I feed filament directly into my printer while the other spool dries. Continuous prints, zero moisture." Industry analysts highlight its efficiency. The dual 2 kilograms spool capacity plus powerful 160-watt heater is a rare combo in compact desktop dryers. Influencers rave about the convenience and reliability for small print farms. Even in humid climates, prints stay flawless. Professionals appreciate the solid construction, adjustable temperature, and programmable timer, features that prevent over-drying and save electricity. Curious which feature would save your day? Comment below. The dryer's design isn't just practical, it's psychologically satisfying. Watching spools rotate silently under controlled warmth creates a sense of mastery over your prints. Add to that the peace of mind knowing filament is perfectly conditioned for every project, and it's no wonder thousands can't stop recommending this unit. Limited stock. Join countless 3D printing enthusiasts who've upgraded to the Creality Space Pi Filament Dryer Plus and never looked back. Don't wait. Secure yours today to prevent wasted filament, failed prints, and unnecessary stress. Bonus: drying 2 spools at once means uninterrupted workflow, saving both time and energy. Click now and unlock a secret tip: dual temperature optimization for your spools. That makes every print sharper, cleaner, and more reliable. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your 3D printing workflow today.